In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix SoFi app login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your username and password. Ensure that you're using a correct email or password. Passwords are also case sensitive, by the way, and you want to check for typos and try again. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and reset your password. Simply go ahead and click on the Forgot Username and Password tab. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and reset your password. The other thing you want to do is check your internet connection, because a weak or unstable connection can prevent login. Switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Also, make sure that you have an updated version of the application. Go to App Store or Play Store in order to go ahead and update the application. And you can also go ahead and clear cache on your Android device. If that is not working, you might need to simply go ahead and either verify your account, check date and time settings, or if not, just reinstall the application completely. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.